Welcome to an in-depth look at the advanced AI camera system in the new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This new camera system combines advanced optics with groundbreaking AI technology to redefine mobile photography. The S26 Ultra's camera array is designed to capture every detail with stunning clarity and precision. It features a powerful 200-megapixel main sensor, along with 50-megapixel sensors for wide and 5x zoom, a 10-megapixel 3x zoom, and a 12-megapixel dedicated portrait lens. The main lens boasts an impressive aperture of f/1.4, allowing significantly more light capture for brilliant photos in any condition. You can record stunning 8K video at 30 frames per second, ensuring professional-grade video quality. The enhanced Nightography feature brings out incredible detail and color in low-light environments, even when recording 4K video. Traditional smartphone stabilization often falls short, resulting in shaky and unusable footage. With Super Steady, the S26 Ultra locks your focus, delivering smooth, cinematic videos, even during high-action activities. Galaxy AI powers the next level of image processing and editing capabilities. I can analyze and enhance your low-light photos, adding crucial detail and making elements pop, like this car on a dark street. The generative edit feature allows you to seamlessly reconstruct parts of your image to make it whole. Easily remove unwanted objects or people from your photos using the AI eraser tool. Audio improvements include enhanced noise reduction, ensuring that the sound in your videos is clear and focused. The S26 Ultra combines 200-megapixel resolution, an f/1.4 aperture, 8K video, and Galaxy AI to deliver a truly revolutionary camera experience.